Hello everyone. How are you doing today? Hope you guys are fine. Well, today we will be doing the mathematics. It is for grade 2. Now, this is the first class 1 of mathematics. You take 2 class. That means this is class 1 and class 2 of mathematics for grade 2. In this chapter or in this class, you could say this is a chapter actually in your book. In this chapter, we will make sure the student can count things. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 100. So you will make sure the student can count the things. Well, let's just get into the class. Look at this. Here you can see there are pictures of different things. It has got some darks and there are some dots. It all has a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 19. Can you see that? If you count them, you will get it. Like 1 duck, there is a 2 duck, 3 ducks, 4 ducks. This is how. So how you're going to teach them? You first teach them the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You just go through the whole number first. Show them the whole table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do it in the number or numeric form first. Okay. Once they have learned it, then you go through ONE 1. 1 ONE 2 TWO 2. This is how you teach them. Well, let me show you in the blackboard. Now look at the blackboard. The way I am teaching it, you follow the same strategy. Okay, that's it. Look here. Now, once you are talking about the numbers, you do it like this. First, teach them the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, then 13, then 14, then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now, it might take some days. You just make sure the student recognize this is 1, this is 3, this is 10, this is 16, this is 19. Once we are talking about these things, they should be able to recognize the number. Once they have learned 1 to 100, then you do the next activity. So this is the very first thing they should learn, number 1 to 100. So if we show them 95 and ask them what is this, they should be able to tell us this is 95. If you say that what is this, the student should be able to say this is 49. Now this is how you teach them up to 1 to 100. Next, then you teach them the numeric version into the written version conversion. How? 1 equals, we write it O-N-E, 1. 2 equals T-W-O-2. 3 equals T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, your main objective, once you have taught them from 1 to 100, then you teach them how to write 1 to 100 in words. That means they should be able to write 4 like this. This is how we write 4 in words. This is how we write 9 in words. This is how we write 5 in words. In the book, we have given 1 to 100. So you go through 1 to 100 like this. 99, and you make 1 to 100 like this. So make sure they are able to write this version and this version as well. This might take some time for you to teach, and if you already have taught it, then that's better. You just repeat it again. The next section, once you have teach them from 1 to 100 like this, and also taught them how to count things 1, 2, 3, then you go to the exercise. The first exercise, you will see a table like this. See, there are some tables where you can see the numbers are given, and where there are some table, the boxes that are empty, where you are supposed to ask the student to fill in the table using the appropriate number. That means after 1, what comes after 1? It should be 2, right? And then what comes after 4? The student should be able to write 5 here. Then what comes after 8? The student should be able to write 9 here. Then what comes after 11? The student should be able to write 12 here. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, the student will write 18 here. Then the student will write 20 here. The student will write 24 here. Now, this is how you ask the student to complete the table. I hope you can complete the table. There are some other boxes. It is up to 100, right? So, you complete the whole table. This is the sample. I'm just showing you how you should do these exercises. Okay, in the exercise 2, you can see these boxes, right? Here there are some pictures given, pictures of different things. You first talk the student, what are these? These are elephants, right? So how many elephants are there? They will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So they have written 16. This is how the students are supposed to fill these boxes here. Make sure they do it here in this book. You don't need to give them another exercise sheets. This is the exercise sheet here. So here, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they will write 9 here. Look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are 19 candles. The student should be able to count 19 candles, and they should be able to write 19 here. Teach them one, show them 1 or 2, and then ask them to do it, because they will be able to count it on their own, and they will write the number here. This is you do in the class 2. You do not do it in class 1. As long as they did not learn to count, how to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, you do not go to these exercises. Look at this one. Here you can see there are pictures. In these lines you can see there are dots, and here there are some pictures of different things. Look at it. Now the first one, And in this you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 numerical number. So here 1 comes here and here 1 comes here. You just match the items. The student will count them and match with the box. For example, this is 3, 1 2 3, and this will come here. They will bring an arrow from here to here, and then in this box the 3 dot is 1 2 3 here. They will bring here. This is how they will match these pictures. You ask them to match it. Do it using their pencils. Do not ask them to do it using pen. Give them pencils. Okay. The next exercise, it is showing 4 different types of things. Can you see? These are horses. Then you can see these are monkeys. Then these are cows, and these are frogs, right? In this box there are these 4 types of animals. Now you ask the student to find out how many pictures of these animals are here. For example, how many horses are there? They will be able to find out. Count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We can see 8 horses, so they will write 8 here, right? They will do the same for the monkeys. They will do the same for the cows, and they will do the same for the frogs. Did you understand? Now this next exercise, exercise 5, is exactly the same thing. Look at this. It has got burger, pizza, french fries, and juice. They will do the same thing here. They will count the burger, they will count the pizza, they will count the french fries, they will count the juice. See, do the same activity. Once this activity is done, you go to the next one. Look at this pictures. It has got dotted. There are 20 dots. The student will connect them and it will become a picture of a lion. First ask them to connect it, right? 1 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 5. Then it's 6 to 7, they will connect it. Then 8 to 9, they will connect it. Then 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 13, 14, 14 to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That means they will connect one number after another. Do not connect the before ones. They connect 1 from 2 and 2 from 3, 3 from 4. Do the same for the exercise of this. You take first class with the 1 to 100 lessons, second class with the word writing things like ONE1, TWO2. Even if it takes more class than 2 class, you take more than that. Then in the third class or fourth class, you start the exercises. The first exercises you do with those boxes, and the second exercises you deal with the picture matching and counting, and the next exercises you do the other thing. Do not push the student to do all the exercises in a day. It will depend on the effectivity of your teaching. If they can do it fast, you do it fast. If they cannot do it fast, you take it slow. Even if it take more than 3, 4, 5 classes to teach this one chapter, you take 5 classes. There is no hurry in that. But make sure they do it on time. That's it. That's it with the first chapter of mathematics. Make sure you take at least 3 to 4 classes to teach these stuffs. Otherwise, student will not learn it properly. Alright guys, see you in the next class. Bye.